Mag hakot mig kuan kahoy. Kauba na mo oh. From USA. Pastor Jelon. Oh, we haul the ginabas. We there we pass. Lumber, we haul the lumber coconut.
Coconut lumber.
Oh.
Eat the frog.
Yo.
Eat the frog.
Ha? Yo?
Yeah.
The frog eat human?
No, I've eaten frogs before in America. Frog.
Oh. The frog eat human? The human eating the frog?
Yes. The frog leg. Eating the frog in the head. Don't tell you. The frog. Eating the frog, yeah.
Oh. Oh, together with our brother from Irene. We are here in Bagtik. Bagtik together with brother Elmer. Oh, that's way. Oh, this way. Oh, that. There's. Oh.
This week,
Ready?
eat the dog.
Ha? You eat the dog?
Papaa ka, Zero.
Ha? Eh, the dog eat human?
The dog got
Oh.
eating the dog. Pastor Jelon.
Pastor Jelon,
Eating the dog.
it's okay?
Not hungry enough.
Huh. Yahoo! Oh,
Yeah.
together with
Oh, I'm a brother.
brother.
JR.
Oh,
Eating the dog. Oh. Go.
we go.
Go. Eating the dog. Howling the snake.
We have fried frog legs in America, like frog joy instead of chicken joy.
Enjoy.
Yeah, frog joy.
Frog. Enjoy lagi ng frog.
Fried.
Ako gugano din inyo.
Salmo sin tumay disiplin. Bawang ko na magbantay ni Musidad. Hulot. Hulot banay dai. Bawang, mantay ang bawang. Panira ba? Panira. Pagani ka bandar dito. Mahaba driving. Di ay ako motoran niya. Aras pan ya.
Kari-iri. Dili ni.
Nabalhira na kami.
Tuyo unta nila ka masangkat kay way balin-balin. Kay magpatubo pa ba diya sa bimna.
Hindi ko sangkat sa